So here you can see this, guys, in the front end of this product called the 7 Activator, which is $37. They are giving you 75% commission, and they also have like upsell, first upsell, and they also have a second upsell over here. Overall you can make like $96 per sale, right, if you sell this product here. Let's say if you want to sell the front end, right, which is they are giving 75% of $37, right, how many sales you have to do to make $100? So if you can see, 75% is $27. That means, guys, I think you have to make a 4 sale to $100. That's right, you have to make a 4 sale. So when it comes to making a 4 sale, right, which is a good traffic or amazing traffic for affiliate marketing, I always say it's a free traffic, and one of the best free traffic is, guys, search engine. So here you can see the 7 code review. Here you can see people are placing their website by ranking over here. Now wait a second, you don't need a domain, you don't need a hosting here, you also don't need to be a king of SEO to do this thing. Here you can see this, guys, why it is very easy, because right, you are not trying to rank your blog or the articles which you're going to write here in this kinds of keyword. Right here you can see how to manifest what you want. It's very difficult to rank in this keyword, but guys, these keywords are very easy to rank, because guys, this is a branded keyword. So I'm going to show you a gray hat method where I'm going to show you how to write a review article of Clickbank. Okay, and you can easily rank it by using these 2 tools. It's a completely gray hair method. So if you're first time here, subscribe my channel, put the bell notification, watch few of my videos, and do not forget to like this video where you can make few commission like this, maybe your first $100 or maybe your first sale, right, from Clickbank using this free traffic strategy. So here we are in CB Engine. This is a website which will show you all the newly launched product in Clickbank. So if you click here, this is the first step, right, and here you can see all this product is placed. Okay, these are the product which are launched very newly. Here you can see this is one of the manifestation related products and astro related product, and there are many other products which you can see over here. So for the first thing is, guys, you have to select the product from here. You can also refer, this is called CB Snooper. Okay, this will also give you more details about newly launched product. Meanwhile, this product is free, you can try, you can see this whether which is giving you more detail. Okay, so you can open this product here. Look at this 7 code. So with this, I'm not showing you how to promote this particular product, but this is the way. Okay, so you can see this product has been launched on 19th, okay, 2021, and it's a new product. We need this kinds of product or more new. Okay, so every day, right, you can watch, right, which products are launching here in this website. Every day in the morning you can see, you can select the graph, and here you can see how this product is performing, right? It's going up and up. That means a lot of people are meanwhile, right, promoting this because it's a new product. That's why. Okay, you can see the graph of any of this product here. So this is the first thing which you have to do and get the new product so that we can make a review here. Now the second very important step is, guys, making your own website. So you don't need a domain, right? You don't need a hosting, but if you have a domain and hosting, then go with WordPress. Domain names are, right, build trust, right, with the audience. So for example, I just wrote here manifestation begins. You can see a lot of people run back of .com. Okay, you don't need a .com here. Okay, just an $8 per year, but you don't need a .com if you're using a free traffic. You can get one anything like .site. This is just simple $1, right? Space, store, click, anything will be good. Okay, whatever you want, right? But if you don't want to buy, it's okay to start with. Even you can rank with Google site without a domain. So Google site, guys, right, everybody knows that. I don't want to give you introduction, right, how to use it. It's very easy. It's a beginner friendly, right? It's very easy to use, right? And you can name your website. You can give exactly the website option to this here. There are so many pages you can create, for example, like blog in the top, right? Here you can see home, blog, right? You can create many other pages here inside. Duplicate the page, you can create the contact page, right? Contact us, and there are many options. You can add the custom domain here. If you have a domain, then add the custom domain, like use the domain from third party, like wherever you buy, you can add this. So I'm not getting into how to put the name and all those things, which is very easy to do this here. Now the third very important step is, guys, to find some of the people who is already did the review. Okay, it's very good to learn from or remodel from other. You don't need to copy here, it's just a remodel. So here you can see, you can open these people who is already did the review. Okay, this is one of the article, right, which they wrote about the same product. Okay, using this article to learn, guys, not to copy. So, and here you can see this another website. So you need almost like 2 to 5 articles in front of you so that you can refresh these articles. The fourth important step is to get this tool called paraphrasing tool. Okay, so this is very important tool, guys. Here I'm not talking about, right, article spinner. We don't need article spinner here, because when you use the article spinner, guys, it will not help you to rank, as well as, guys, it will also not going to give you the conversion here, because when these spinners change the article, they also use very bold words. Okay, they will never use these customer friendly words. But article, right, this paraphrase tools are amazing, right, which can write an article for you, right? So for example, this first one is there are many free ones, so this one is an amazing, right, Quill bot. This is the tool which you have to use. Paraphrase only 400 characters, but if you make your free account, it is right now allowing 700 characters. And one more thing, guys, it's very cheap. I just want to show you the premium one also. Okay, first of all, it's a free, right, 700 paraphrasers, right? You can change the characters, right? If you want to upgrade here, and this is also just $5, right? And this is the software, guys, most of the people in Fiverr use to write an article for you. Okay, they take the ideas from Google, how we're going to take the idea right now, and they will use these kinds of tools to write the article for you. Okay, so meanwhile, that's what we're going to do. Let's say we are just taking it as an example here, guys, so do not copy them, right? Right, just for example, right, I'm just showing you. If you copy from here, right, what they wrote, okay, you can get the idea, and then you can get into this tool here. Okay, and you can copy. So once if you copy, you have 3 options over here, like standard, fluence, and creative, right? Rest is not important for you. If you buy, you'll get that option here. Okay, so why I like paraphrase is paraphrasers, like, because they will change the word, especially this word, for example, like this complete program, and it will give you the word of synonym. So let me show you here, like for example, like if I'm clicking here paraphrase, so now the synonyms of complete program, right, they use, right, comprehensive curriculum. So you can reduce the amount of synonyms which you want in your article, right? You can reduce the size, right? According to this, it will change all those words. Okay, you can't go more here. For this you have to buy the premium one, but this is enough for you. Okay, so this is what I like, and they use always, right, very easy word here. You can see standard, fluence, and creative. Okay, for example, if you select this one, creative, it will change in some other word, right? It will give you more easy or creative things, right? Look at this. The full software developed to help individual benefit, right? Some creative way it is writing, but we want like a standard or fluence, right? And we have to make sure we are not changing the main important words of this particular niche. If you are into keto niche, or if you are into law of attraction niche, you know that there are few words which is more used in those niches. Okay, you can't change that word, right? So make sure like you are not changing your words, like 7. If you want to change this comprehensive, okay, you can click here and you'll get other word. Look at this, detail, right, sophisticated, right, extensive, and there are more you can get, and you can change this, right? And even you can keep the same word, right, complete. Okay, for this they will change something else in your articles. Okay, so this way you're going to create a unique article, not the, right, copied one here. Okay, at the end, guys, it will give you a plagiarism free article. Okay, to check plagiarism, right, we can copy, right, just here. We can copy this article from here, and we can look for the tools, right? For example, this one, right, called small SEO tools. There are many plagiarism checkers, right? You can use anything. So meanwhile, I'm just using this one here. So here you can put this article and you can see how much unique this article is, right? So you need 2 tools to do this entire work. Okay, and you can say I am not a robot, and check. So here in the bottom you can see this, guys, 100% it is checked, and it is going to give you the unique article. Right now all of this word which we have changed is completely unique. That is, you can see zero plagiarism is there. So that means you can use this article into your Google site, right, the site, and you can write an amazing article like them. It is completely, there are many tools which will do the work of both of it, but I found over a period of time, right, a small SEO tool is very good to check, right, plagiarism. And this Quill bot is very good to create the paraphrasers. Okay, this is little bit gray hat strategy which you can use while starting out. Later you can write your own article just going through and reading the entire site. I'm going to give you the formula of this, right, how to write articles, right, how to write the review site in my upcoming videos. I'm going to give you the formula which I use to write literally from the sales copy. Okay, that is a completely different. So hope you really like this strategy, right? It will help you in your business, right? If you really like this strategy, smash the like button, guys, and subscribe my channel. Before you go, I will highly recommend you to watch these two videos, which is completely a free methods. Maybe this two method can help you to make more money with using free traffic.